everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the new Tarte Pro Remix eyeshadow palette. That is right, you guys. I did get this palette in my newest Ulta haul, and I think this is new for Tarte. I haven't seen this before. I saw it like probably about a month ago or something, but like I haven't seen it since then. But this is what it looks like. It is their Tarte Pro Remix palette, and it's got like this colorful ink splatter on it. I think it looks really good. So we are going to dive into this baby today, do a review and a tutorial eye look on this palette. So if you would like to see that, then keep on watching. My face is still screwed up. My skin still hates me, but we're trying to push through and make it work. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up here. I have already swatched a few of these shades, and they swatched beautifully. I have not used them on the eye just yet, but I did want to make that very clear. This is a cruelty-free product, so that is freaking awesome. There's the little bunny rabbit right down there. So that's awesome. And then here is what the actual packaging looks like. It looks the same as the box, but it has like that 3D effect kind of thing. You know when you get like a Valentine's Day card and like it has a like 3D kind of shift to it? I forget what that's called, but they have this. It's like that on here, and then when you open it, I've never seen a palette like this, like a Tarte palette like this. Look at all those pretty colors. Oh my god, I've never seen a Tarte palette this colorful before, so we're gonna dive right in. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do. To be totally honest, I never know. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Just by looking at it, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I figured it out. We're gonna do something a little more like neutral, something a little more light and fun for like the holidays. But yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me scoot you guys in and we will get started. So I've got you zoomed in here. I don't want to get you too zoomed in or else you'll be able to see all of the cracks and flakiness and dry skin on my face, and it does not look very pretty. You can probably see it already. It don't look good, and I am very sorry that you're having to see this, but I can't do anything about it. I really can't. I'm doing everything that I can, and it's just not going away. So we're gonna keep doing what we can, and then in the meantime, just keep filming. So I've already primed my eyes with the Bad Habit primer. I've been using that one recently and I do like it a lot. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go into the matte shade. I should go ahead and point out, I think there's only 3 mattes in this entire palette. These two right here. And then I think this black is also a matte, but the rest are like shimmer, metallic, pearly type shades. So just be aware of that. Even these over here are all metallics as well. So there's only 3 matte shades as far as I can tell. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. I'm going to go into the shade Mixed Media first. This one right down here, this very light matte shade. And we're going to go ahead and just put that all over the eye as a base. And you guys, I've never used a Tarte palette before. So this is going to be like a first impression. This is brand new to me. I've never used one of these before and I'm very excited to give it a shot. Now this color, just going into it, it is so light, so it's not really going to show up on my skin because it is basically the color of my skin. But if you can tell here, it is a very, very light shade. It is, I mean, pretty, I guess, but it is so light. So next, now that we have that, just a light wash of color down, we're going to go into the shade Wall Art right here. This next kind of more, it's still brown, but it's more of like a taupey, very light brown. We're going to go into that, and I am going to place that on the crease. Oh, that was so nice. That picked up a lot of product, and that was kind of like a one and done. I didn't even have to go back in. I just kind of put it there, and it blended out like immediately. That's awesome. I love that when that happens. So you guys, that was like one of the easiest shades I've ever had to apply. It was so fast. It just went like, it was so quick. So that's great. So next what I'm going to do is I really want to play around. Let me see. Let's do this. Okay, so basically we're going to be using this entire row. So I want to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna do that, and then I want to come back. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer to cut my crease, and then I have a Alamar flat top brush, and we are going to go ahead and do that. I've been really love cutting my crease recently, you guys. You know, I've been trying to just get good at it. I'm not really good at it, but you know, practice. Alrighty. So that was actually really quick and easy. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go into this shade right here called Spin. This one, and I'm going to take it on my, whoo, don't drop it. I'm going to take it on my index finger first. Ooh, that's so nice. That's so creamy. Let me actually let this dry down a little bit. And I'm just going to press this in. Ooh, that is pretty. That's so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush. Here it is. This is my really dense flat top brush. It's very dirty and it has purple shadow all over it. But I'm just going to wipe that off. And I'm going to go ahead and take this and then just place this Spin shade all over where the concealer is. Alrighty, so just like that. So we have this placed down, and then next what I want to do is I'm going to go into the shade Graffiti right here. Such a beautiful, like, deep burgundy color. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. And then we're going to go ahead and tap this on the outer part of the eye. So like right here, and then just blend those two together, this burgundy shade and that Spin shade. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm just gonna kind of like just mix them in together. It kind of makes your lid look like fire, you know, like you're at home and it's snowing outside and you have like your hot drink and then you just have like fire on your eyes. I don't know, man, I like that. One thing I wish I had a really dark brown, like to go on the outer corner, but I don't. And I don't really know what to do because I normally do like a dark, something dark on the outer portion right here just to mix everything together, but I don't really have that. So we're just kind of having to do with, you kind of have to make do with what we have. And I don't actually think I'm going to do anything to the bottom. I mean, I can't really. I can go in with like, so let me try to go in with a little bit of this Graffiti shade on the bottom here. It's not a matte, so, okay, that went on better than I thought it would. I thought it wasn't going to go on very well. And then a little bit of that Spin shade towards the inner part. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm going to go back into both of those and then just blend it and smoke it out. Yeah, okay. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Not bad at all. No. So I got this on. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. And you guys, I got this as well in my Ulta haul. And this is the, man, I didn't realize I had all this Tarte stuff. So this is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. I have been wanting to try this for a while. And on this side, it has that really nice sharp felt tip liner pen. And then on the other side, it has the black eyeliner pen. So, oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm actually going to use both of these today and line my waterline. I'm a rebel now. But I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now I want to go ahead and apply my Nars Climax mascara right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. These are the Lilly lashes in the style Goddess. I actually wore these the other day. In my haul video, I wore these actually. And I've really been liking these. This is the first time, or this is the second time that I'm going to be wearing them. But I'm going to go ahead and pop those on, and then I will come right back to you for lipstick. And I'm back, you guys. I did go ahead and do my other eye off camera, as you can see here. And I did go ahead and do my lipstick. And for lips today, I used my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncuffed right here. I have been really loving this liquid lip so far. I think it looks really pretty just in general, and then with this eye look, it just looks, I like it a lot. I'm loving this. But yes, you guys, I I'm loving this eye look. I love how it's a little more like fiery looking. It's a little more like toasty, warm. I like it. I'm really impressed. And guys, I like this palette. I have not used a Tarte palette before. I've seen multiple ones, but I've never actually picked one up and used one. So I'm impressed, you guys. These, the matte one, those matte shades, well, especially this one right here, that wall art one right here, that one was like a one and done kind of thing. I just went boop, da 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 da, and I didn't even have to go back in for a second dip or nothing. It just went on so quickly, so easily, and it was very pigmented the first time around, so that was awesome. That's great. And then these metallic shades are so pigmented. They're so creamy. They're so awesome. I'm really liking this palette, you guys. If you are into something like this, if you want these pretty colors, then I would highly recommend this. I do not think you'd be disappointed. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.